Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by stabilizing the chain and exposing the snag. Lay the chain flat on a soft cloth under a magnifier. This prevents further abrasion. Once visible, anchor both ends with small tape or clips so the chain won't twist. Next, use a fine needle to gently tease apart surrounding links. You want to separate fibers without pulling on the gold. Make sure to work slowly and keep your hands steady so you don't widen the damage. You now extract the threads that caught on the chain. Insert the needle under the thread loop and lift it up, easing tension rather than yanking. Once a loop is freed, use fine point tweezers to grip the thread close to the base and pull gently along its fiber direction to avoid fraying. If a thread resists, stop and re-separate surrounding links. Patience prevents damage. When thread portions are clear, trim excess with sharp snips. Leave a tiny tail. You finish by cleaning and inspecting the repair. Soak the chain briefly in warm, soapy water to remove oils, rinse and pat dry, then polish gently with a soft cloth to restore shine. Once done, test the chain's flexibility and tensile feel before wearing it. If a thread or tension spot persists, make sure to stop and visit a jeweler who can reweave or solder the link. Trying stronger pulls risks permanent distortion. If links bend, professional repair is safer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.